Neyyapam or Paniyaram. It is one of the most important dishes that we make, during Kartik Deepam. Kartik Deepam is one of the ancient Tamil festivals celebrated in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Andhra Pradesh, and mainly in Tamil Nadu. We celebrate this festival with lighting earthen lamps all over the home and entrance.
Before proceeding to the video, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment.
In today's video, I'm going to share a fluffy and delicious paniyaram recipe, sweet paniyaram we call Neyyapam. So let's get started.
For this, wash and soak 1 cup of raw rice for 1 or 2 hours and drain the water completely. Meanwhile, I have taken 2 to 3 teaspoons of sesame seeds. We will just dry roast them. When they turn golden brown in color, we will just turn off the gas and keep them aside. I have taken 3/4 cup of jaggery powder. Added very little water to melt the jaggery. Once done, turn off the gas and let it cool completely. Now add drained rice to the mixture jar. Now I'm going to add 2 to 3 pods of elaichi. I have just removed the seeds separately, and 1 banana. Just take a ripe banana so that the taste will be very good. Now I have taken this jaggery syrup. It has completely got cooled. Before using, let us strain the jaggery, because jaggery will have some impurities, right? Some sand kind of texture also will be there. So it's better to always strain before using it. Now all the ingredients I have put, let's make this to a paste, like the batter consistency to make neyyapams. So the batter, we have to check the batter. The batter should not be too soft, like it should be little grainy, like rava consistency, I can say. I'll show you how the batter should look exactly. I have not added water while grinding. Once done, if the consistency is too thick, then we can add little water to get the perfect consistency. This is the perfect consistency and the perfect rava, very little rava kind of texture is there, not too smooth and not too coarse also. This is the perfect consistency. Now I am adding 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds. 1/4 cup of grated coconut. If you have a desiccated coconut, you can still use it, but then this will give a very good taste. The fresh coconut taste is completely different. Give it a good mix. Batter looks little thick, because after adding sesame seeds and grated coconut, it became little thick. We can add some water also. Now we have to add 1/4 teaspoon of Eno fruit salt. If Eno fruit salt is not there, we can even add cooking soda. Give it a good mix. Heat a paniyaram or appe pan. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee on each of the molds. See, even you can use oil, but then this dish name itself is neyyapam. Ney means ghee. So if we prepare with using ghee, it gives the authentic taste. As a prasadam also, it's good to offer to God on festivals. When the ghee melts, we need to just pour in a small ladle of batter. See, look at the consistency of the batter. The batter should not be too thick or too runny like dosa batter. This is the perfect consistency. Let's keep the flame medium and keep a lid. One side got cooked and now just flip them over. All the paniyarams are nicely cooked, crunchy outside and fluffy inside. They are ready to be served. We can make these paniyarams even using rice flour, adding all the other items that I have shown in the recipe. But grinding rice is an authentic way of preparing this dish. This fluffy, tasty paniyarams are not only as a prasadam, we can prepare as an evening snack also. Children would love to eat them. It has all the healthy ingredients and we can eat them once in a while without guilt.
Hope you like the recipe. I think you also try making this at home. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.